welcome to Shujaa Solutions Developer Talks. Today we have Mr. Bitange Ndemo, the Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Information and Communication. So, Mr. Bitange, welcome.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure. We can start off by asking what is your role here at the ministry, and what is the ministry's role in the development of Kenya?
Yeah, I think I would answer this in a very simple way.
Yes.
Our role is to facilitate the private sector to succeed.
Yes.
We have not reached the level where our political ideology would state the role of government in business. But the way I understand it, Kenya is a free market economy.
Yes.
The government provides the facilitatory role to make sure you succeed. There are some areas where we have made interventions so that we can further facilitate the market. For example, the investment in the undersea cable, the terrestrial cable, was to make sure that the private enterprises, especially the small enterprises, can actually succeed in a very hostile environment where the capex requirement is far beyond the local Kenyans.
Yes.
So government facilitated. Now you're beginning to see a lot more small enterprises playing in the market.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, and then coming to the perspective of SMEs, especially in ICT, what do you have for them? What are the chances you see, perhaps as we also seek to achieve Vision 2030? What are the things we should be looking out for?
The good thing is that in a developing country, there are many opportunities. The problem actually is how to identify those opportunities. Because if you begin, for example, to look at the inefficiencies in a developing economy and work on the inefficiencies, you become rich. We are talking about very inefficient agricultural system, very inefficient financial systems, and you begin to look at M-Pesa, how it has removed the inefficiencies we had in the financial sector. It has succeeded. We need to see small enterprises getting into information to farmers, or creating markets in areas where it was impossible, because we now have communication network throughout the country. So small enterprises have greater opportunities than in any country, I see, because Kenya has worked on the infrastructure. We have a fairly educated population, and we have fairly inefficient systems that we need to work on and change and create efficiencies. Much of the money you get is out of the inefficiencies. So the more you work at it, the better. So I see great opportunities for SMEs in the ICT sector to succeed faster than you can do maybe in a developed country.
Okay. Okay, and to conclude our talk, do you have any questions for us as an SME or as Shujaa Solutions?
Yes, I have questions. For the past 4 or 5 years, we've been talking about infrastructure development and policy guidelines, legal framework. The government has actually done all that. And I have not seen a correspondent reaction from the population that now we got all this, we must get into knowledge making in this economy. I'm still going around talking to people. What is content? What is agricultural content? What is e-learning content? When would people come together and see the opportunity and exploit it? When are you going to do it?
Okay, in my opinion, I do think we have a weakness of pessimism, especially even at an SME level. As Shujaa Solutions, we do believe that the government and the infrastructure is there. It's not the government's role to be everywhere. The opportunity, the groundwork is laid, and it's up to people to do so. To build on top of that. And part of what we are doing, we are building mobile applications. I would say we are playing in this space of mobile middleware, where we are creating infrastructure that enable mobile applications to thrive. So we are an SME. We have what we call an SMS gateway that allows for third parties to interact without having them to set up the difficult connections to the network operators. That's one example. We are building an app store as well. We are hosting mobile applications as it is. We do teach. In fact, I've taught at Safaricom Academy, at Strathmore Mobile Bootcamp, in Orero, University of Nairobi, etc. So I think that, yes, there is a lot of negative talk, especially as we see it on the mailing lists, people complaining, but there are doers, and we are here, and but many of us, we do first and then we talk, rather than talk and then wait for somebody else. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. So thank you, Dr. Bitange, once again.
Thank you, and let's work
yes.
to develop this country.
Yes.
Thank you.